Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. The last time I went through our social media, I find that thumbs up and a subscriber that really increased. I think you can actually do more by telling your friends and your neighbor, even go to your church or your mosque, to actually tell them that this is Trendy Africa. Okay, that is it. And we know that go to all social media platforms, you're going to get us right there. But if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Adeniji Dare. I'm always here with my wonderful friend Ojumo here, but his name is Honorable. He couldn't make it anyway because he actually has something very important to actually attend to, and that's why I said I must actually come here to actually meet with my viewers. You are very important, and that's why I'm here. Before actually drawing the curtain, and I'm trying to draw a lot of rope, we are going to discuss something very important. We know that Sunday Igboho has been in the custody for a very long time. Let me actually draw you back to the past, memory lane. I want to say that we know that Sunday Igboho actually been anchoring the Yoruba nation, and a lot of buha have actually happened. If you want to know the meaning of buha, go to Honorable Patrick, former honorable still, to actually ask him the meaning of that buha. Actually heard it from him, and know that they are trying to see that how Yoruba will actually go in their separate ways because of one security issue and all that. And Sunday Igboho said that is not happy with all these things, and that's why he thinks that Yoruba should go their ways. That means division of country. Nnamdi Kanu was actually there talking about iPod as well. But no, now we know that a long time Nnamdi Kanu has been in custody. Now Sunday Igboho, they took the issue down to Benin for the case study, and a lot of things going fraud back. And a lot of lawyers actually come to play, and so that this thing can actually be actualized. And the last thing that we actually saw, that the DSS went to his house and do a lot of damages, killing some people, so say, with the picture we actually saw. And because we're not going to paste that picture because there's a lot of blood on that picture there because of television right. And the federal government actually took him to the custody and say that no to this Yoruba nation. Unfortunately for the federal government, the Oyo State High Court, actually this seems to be the first time I think that the Yoruba judiciary, the country judiciary, so I want to say, are actually doing the right thing. After everything with some days, hours that the federal government or DSS tried to actually bring this man down called Sunday Igboho about the Yoruba nation, and the High Court in Oyo State said that there's nothing wrong with the agitation. Let me tell you something. It's very right for you to say you don't want to eat rice, that you want to eat beans. So nobody can draw you to say that why will you want to eat beans. It's your choice. So it is their choice to say that they want to go to them actually going their separate ways. It's not as if the DSS should stop them. Now the DSS, the High Court of Oyo State have ordered the DSS to pay Sunday Igboho 20 billion naira, a big sum of money to Sunday Igboho. Now the question now drops. One is that, is it true? Will it be actualized? That 20 billion. We know that these are the same people that took Kanu to custody. Until date, we never hear about what is happening. Reason is that we know there's a lot of people behind Sunday Igboho on this cause. I don't want to mention him. So-called one of the defeaters to APC is actually part of them supporting him. But now that he has gone to APC, now I don't want to mention his name. Now that people are behind Sunday Igboho about this issue, now the High Court has said 20 billion. Will DSS pay 20 billion? When will they pay the 20 billion? How long will they keep Sunday Igboho, or they want to actually set them free? Because we know that this country called Nigeria is where we play Ludo, where we play chess. And if you're not careful, you cannot beat the gamers. And that is how what we are looking at. Now people have actually heard that Sunday Igboho should receive 20 billion because of a lot of things they did. One is that stopping him from the agitation. We remember what happened in Lagos, that a lot of forced men came to disrupt that rally. At that cause, a lady was shot dead at that process. Now, people have actually come out back in front to say that Sunday Igboho should be held responsible for that incident that happened that day. But God, on his way, on his part of Sunday Igboho, we found out that it was not the Sunday Igboho's men that actually killed that girl. It's what from those first people. But at the end of the day, what happened? The case was actually swept under the curtain. And we know that one day, Monkey will go to the market and he will never return again on that issue of Malami and DSS here. But now the second one is this. At the time that Sunday Igboho was coming to Lagos, the eve before that day, we saw how the DSS went to Sunday Igboho's house. Not only that, people were killed at the process. Sunday Igboho's wife was picked as well. And all the house was vandalized. The car was vandalized, thinking that Sunday Igboho will not come to Lagos. Actually, did not show up, but there was a rally in Lagos. And after that time, a lot of arrests was picked. The lady that viewed that video was picked, saying that a lot of things, we know how Nigeria is, how they ban Twitter and all that because of their self-interest. Issue has come to the favor of Sunday Igboho, with DSS paying the 20 billion. And from the record and from what the fact we have actually heard, we heard that the High Court in Oyo State actually give them an ultimatum of some days for them to pay that 20 billion naira. So if Sunday Igboho received this 20 billion, which I know that we are not up to billion in this country, and Sunday Igboho received this money, I think that Sunday Igboho will start the agitation in tough gear, and this will not allow the DSS to release this money. So I need your feedback on this issue. What do you think about it? Will DSS release this money or not? So in our next broadcast, I will tell you what really happened. From your comments, I want to give a promise. Anyone that actually comments, I'm going to mention your name in the next broadcast. I promise you that, and it will happen. So in case you're asking for an honorable, it's not here. I'm very sure next week we are going to see him. My name is Ring MC Dab or Adim Jodari. This is Face to Face, and we're going to see ourselves next time. Bye bye.